You were just going to spray me with mud.
I was going to try and do some slippery bits for you. The idea you was like, oh, I'm staying back.
Yeah.
It's quite straight, isn't it?
It's quite straight. Just take it easy, Bert. You got him very wet.
I think you should take my phone, Ian.
Where's your phone?
My pocket.
Oh. Sorry, I shouldn't laugh, but it was really funny. You're a bit damp. No, that was you. That was you.
Was it you? Did you say you were right there? I didn't have my goggles on. Shit, sorry dude, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, well, you had the camera on.
I've got some brilliant, that was brilliant.
Sorry dude. It wasn't intentional, not like that.
Oh, just hand it over.
Turned off.
It's turned itself off.
I wanted to turn it off. Guilty now, sorry man. That really weren't intentional, Bert. I just thought we were going to really
it's funny because it looked brilliantly planned and executed.
I had to count in my head when he'd be in the right place. It was quite tricky. When you pulled up beside me, I thought, alright, this is going to be my chance. So I bombed it for the first time and you just took off into a larger one. Yeah, I went a bit too fast into the second two, they were a bit big. I was like, right, I'm going to go for a little front wheel hover, and then he was like, oh, they're really long. I'm not gonna... Yeah. Alright, you'll try out, dude.
Yeah, we get...
Well, it's more just my... I didn't have my goggles down. Completely soaked to about there.
Right.
I'm completely soaked to
It's worth it.
And only there. I'm completely soaked to about there. No, my shirt's a little bit dry. Looks like you've been sweating, it looks really manly. Excellent.
Come on then, let's get going.
It's his fault for pressing play, isn't it?